Thick hair is a dream for many people, including me. It is a sign of good health, youthfulness, and vitality. But with great hair comes great responsibility. Maintaining and caring for thick hair can be a challenge. Fortunately, there are natural tips that can help you achieve thick, healthy hair without resorting to expensive salon treatments or harmful chemicals. In this video, we'll explore some of the best natural tips for thick hair, and as a bonus, we'll be letting you in on some interesting facts about hair that you probably had no idea about. Welcome to Wellness Wonders. On this channel, we'll talk about getting healthy using both the conventional Western medicine and the more holistic and integrative approaches advocated by the Eastern medicine tenets. Without further ado, let's dive in. First off, why thick hair? The appearance of excellent health and youth is often connected with having thick hair, which contributes to the widespread perception that thick hair is attractive. Your entire look may also benefit from the addition of volume, texture, and depth that thick hair can provide. Additionally, thick hair can be more versatile in terms of styling options because it can hold curls and updos better than thin or fine hair can. This makes thick hair ideal for those who want to experiment with their look. Although there's no one perfect type of hair, thick hair is generally considered desirable in many cultures and can be a source of confidence and pride for those who have it. Now, when it comes to the best ways to foster the growth and care of thick hair, there are a lot of things involved. Let us check them out in detail. We know you're probably tired of thin, lifeless hair that refuses to cooperate. Well, it turns out that what you eat can have a big impact on the health and thickness of your hair. So before you reach for those expensive hair products, take a look at your diet. First up, we have eggs. Not only are they a delicious breakfast option, but they're also packed with protein, which is essential for hair growth. So make sure to include eggs in your diet to give your hair the building blocks it needs to thrive. Next on the list is spinach. No, we're not trying to turn you into Popeye, but we do recommend adding some leafy greens to your plate. Spinach is rich in iron, which helps to transport oxygen to the hair follicles. And let's face it, who doesn't want well-oxygenated hair? If you're a fan of sweet potatoes, you're in luck. They're a rich source of beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. And what does vitamin A do? It promotes the growth and thickness of hair. So go ahead and load up on those sweet potato fries. Now let's talk nuts. Not the crazy kind, but the kind you can eat. Nuts are a good source of biotin, which is essential for healthy hair growth. So if you're looking to add some thickness to your locks, grab a handful of almonds or walnuts. Last but not least, we have salmon. This delicious fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help to nourish and thicken hair. So if you're looking for an excuse to indulge in some sushi, tell yourself it's for the sake of your hair. If you're struggling to get enough of these nutrients in your diet, you can also consider taking supplements like biotin, zinc, and iron to promote hair thickness. Just make sure to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements. So there you have it, a diet that promotes thick, healthy hair. And the best part? You don't even have to give up your favorite foods. Well, maybe except for the crazy nuts. Before we move on to the importance of proper hair care routine, if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that subscribe button for more content like this. It would really help our small channel grow, so we can make even more videos for you. So what about your hair care routine? Did you know that proper routine is essential for maintaining thick and healthy hair? Well, now you do. Listen up, our follically challenged friends. If you're tired of dealing with dry, brittle hair, then it's time to switch up your hair care routine. Here are some tips that will help you get those luscious, thick locks you've been dreaming of. First off, ditch that harsh shampoo that's been stripping your hair of its natural oils. To be honest, you don't want to be walking around with a straw-like mane. Instead, opt for a sulfate-free shampoo that's gentle on your hair and scalp. Next up, it's time to moisturize with some natural oils. Coconut, jojoba, and argan oil are all great options that will help to nourish and moisturize your hair. Just apply a few drops to your hair and scalp and leave it on overnight. You'll wake up with hair so soft, you won't be able to stop touching it. If you're feeling adventurous, why not try a natural hair mask? Whip up a concoction with ingredients like avocado, banana, and honey, and slather it all over your hair and scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash it off. Your hair will thank you for the extra love and attention. Now let's talk about hair styling products and tools. Sure, they may make your hair look good in the short term, but they can also cause long-term damage. Avoid using harsh hair styling products that contain harmful chemicals, and try to limit your use of heat styling tools like flat irons and curling irons. Your hair will thank you for it in the long run. Your lifestyle habits can also greatly influence the promotion of thick hair growth. Here are some that you should definitely incorporate. First off, let's talk about tight hairstyles. Sure, a sleek ponytail or braids may look cool, but they can also cause some serious hair breakage. Instead, opt for looser hairstyles that won't put too much stress on your hair. Next up, pillowcases. Did you know that sleeping on a cotton pillowcase can cause friction and tangle your hair? Yikes! Switch it up and sleep on a silk pillowcase instead. Not only is it gentle on your hair, but it also feels like you're sleeping on a cloud. Finally, let's talk about stress. We all know that stress can cause some serious damage to our bodies, but did you know that it can also cause hair loss and thinning? Don't worry, we're not about to suggest that you quit your job and move to a remote island. Instead, try to incorporate some exercise and relaxation techniques into your daily routine. Whether it's yoga class or a quick meditation session, find what works for you and stick with it. And for the last category, we have natural remedies. Of course, there are many tested and proven herbal and plant-based techniques that would do your thick hair some good, and here are a few. First up is aloe vera. This prickly plant has some magic enzymes that can help to promote hair growth and thickness. Just scoop out the gel from an aloe vera leaf and apply it to your hair and scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before washing it off. Another natural ingredient to try is fenugreek seeds. These little seeds contain hormone precursors that can help to thicken hair. Soak the seeds in water overnight and grind them to make a paste. Apply the paste to your hair and scalp and leave it on for a while before washing it off. If you don't mind shedding a few tears in the process, you can try using onion juice. Onion juice contains sulfur, which can help promote hair growth and thickness. Extract the juice from an onion and apply it to your hair and scalp. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash it off. Lastly, coconut milk is a delicious and nutritious ingredient that can help to nourish and strengthen hair. Apply some coconut milk to your hair and scalp and leave it on for a short period of time, then wash it off. You're in the clear for great hair if you repeat this process. Plus, it'll make your hair smell like a tropical paradise. So go ahead, raid your kitchen and try out these natural remedies for thicker hair. Who knows? Maybe you'll find your hair's new best friend. Thick hair can be a challenge to maintain, but with these natural tips, you can achieve healthy, luscious locks without using harmful chemicals or spending a fortune on salon treatments. Remember to eat a balanced diet, follow a proper hair care routine, adopt healthy lifestyle habits, and try natural remedies to promote hair growth and thickness. Now let's go into the bonus section. Did you know that your hair strands are strong enough to support up to 100 grams in weight each? That means the whole head of hair can carry 2 baby elephants. No wonder we sometimes feel like we're carrying the weight of the world on our shoulders. And speaking of weight, did you know that the average person sheds 50 to 100 hairs a day? Yep, that's right. We're all walking around leaving a trail of hair behind us, like we're some kind of hairy snail. But don't worry, it's completely normal and just part of the natural hair growth cycle. Unless you're shedding clumps of hair, in which case you might want to get that checked out by a professional. And that's a wrap. Thank you for staying till the end. We're sure you've learned so much and laughed a little. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have suggestions or questions for us. We'd love to hear from you. Also, make sure to like and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so now to get more amazing and informative content. See you next time. Bye.